So you might be in a situation where for some reason Threads is not working. So Threads, the Instagram application, can have some issues. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that within Threads, the actual app, that there's not, basically you're not one of the day one people who've used this application because already there's probably some updates available. Now Threads is a brand new app. So there's always going to be problems and issues with any brand new application. So just keep that in mind. Another big, massive thing you can probably try doing though is to keep your Threads application updated as frequently as you can. So what you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over to your app store just like this, and you want to go ahead and find your Threads application. So go right into here, and what you want to do is you want to type in Threads, not like that, but you want to type in Threads, and there might be an update available at some point. Maybe by the time you're watching this, there already is one. So all you're going to want to do is update your Threads application, and that is pretty much all you're going to have to do. Update this app, go ahead and see if that ends up fixing the problem, and probably for a lot of you, that's all you're going to have to do. Again, whenever I've done this, pretty much just updating the application will fix it. And again, that might be all you have to do in this specific situation as well. Now, if that's still not working, you may just want to go ahead and see if there's a specific thing within Threads that's just not functioning. So sometimes if you go through and if you're scrolling through and Threads just isn't working, let's say it keeps crashing on you, the main thing you can do is just to keep doing what you're doing. Keep opening up the application. So once the application goes ahead and closes or crashes, go ahead and open it back up, and you want to try doing that same thing again. A lot of the times, for some reason, I was trying to thread something like tweet it, whatever it was, and it really wasn't working. But after a few tries, I was able to get it working. And that's probably just another thing you're going to have to do is just keep trying in order to actually get these things to kind of function. So in terms of that, that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.